Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Philips Fidelio L4 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here you should click add Bluetooth for other device. Bluetooth. Now on the left ear cup we have power button. So if this is your first connection, press and hold it for at least 3 seconds until this headphones is turned on, so now you can release it. And if it's not your first connection, just wait until this LED light start flashing white and blue. So we enter to pairing mode and we can see it at the device list. Click on it and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!